give her more time to do an impression, and then they could pick up all of their retainers in the same day.
Okay, good idea. And then this patient here will have enough time to
Did you just hear that?
what was that noise?
I don't know. Well, who is
Someone
Tom
here?
the Turkey?
I don't know. Did you put him in the schedule?